So I had the water hose disconnected and the trash can over this water spigot thing because we had gotten down to like 15 degrees, 13 degrees Fahrenheit. And anyway, I wanted to protect that and so it wouldn't freeze. But I got the water hose on, and this water hose runs up to the chicken coop. Well, not the chicken coop itself, but right there near the chicken coop where we had that blue little pool. So anyhow, the hose goes way up there and goes past the camper, past those vehicles, past that white fence up to where the chicken coop is. You hear the chickens and roosters. Some guinea birds up there too. All right, let me walk back up there. This gravel had washed down off my driveway back when it was rainy. There's Guinea. Guinea's one of our kitty cats. She's just out here. She's just out here enjoying her life. All right, heading up there. I'm gonna have to get busy on this camper. I gotta move this thing. I gotta get it over to a leveler spot, and oh my gosh, I gotta get this thing. I gotta get it in a level spot. I need to put down my little feet, as you can call it, and start working on it. Once I get it leveled out, get it in the exact spot I need it to go to, then I'll be doing a whole lot of upgrades, fixing things that need fixed, cleaning. I want to make it so that it can be comfortable during the winter time. Might get me one of those little wood burning stoves and put in there. And the ones, hey Nagini, where you going? Are you gonna go hunting out in the woods? These cats love going out in the woods. I don't know what they do out there, but they sure are happy. All right, let me get up there to that pool. Hey little Puff, what are you doing? Well, you hanging out with the chickies? Look at them chickies back there. You been hanging out with those chickies? Is that what you've been doing? Oh, brr, brr, brr. Okay. So it looks like they've already found the water. I had the end of the hose right there in that little blue swimming pool. So it looks like it's already putting some water in there for them. Not very fast. I didn't have it open very far, but just enough for them to get a little water. Hey, what you want in there, chickies? Tell you, chickens are interesting. They've all got different personalities. They've all got different ways of being. That's one of our roosters right there. Hey, chicken getting up on the fence. Get off the fence. Get off the fence. Thank you. We fenced them in. Our thoughts were, if we keep them in there, then the predators won't mess with them. And, well, they get out anyway. They just get up and fly over. But you know, the predators, well, except for the hawks, the predators in general, they don't fly. So let me get through here. Put this gate back up. Well, it's not really a gate. It's just a little fence. What? Thought I had it open enough. There we go. Gotta wash out that mess. The ducks are really messy, especially with their pools of water. Yeah, thirsty there, chickie. Look at them all running. Oh, they're happy. The ducks are just waiting. Let me adjust this to center. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, duckies. I'll just leave that right there for a while and let them all have it. I'll walk away and they'll get in there. I bet those ducks jump in there real soon. And that red bucket there was the compost. That was the compost tea I'd been working on over near the garden. I brought it over here because the chickies keep getting in it. And I figured, well, if they like it, let them have at it. Ain't that right, chickie? If they like it, let them have at it. Jeez. Alright, let's go in there and see if hey, y'all still got food over here. I guess they were more thirsty than hungry. There was a breedy chicken mama sitting here. Oh yeah, wow. Yesterday evening I emptied this out. Look at that. Already got 4 more. Wow. Yeah, I need to get some more grass and stuff to put in here. That way they'll be comfortable. And notice, well, the blue ones are the artificial ones. We got them in here. Oh, there it is. And it encourages them to sit in there. The food that's in here, they worked on it overnight. I guess that's why they weren't too hungry, because I had that in here for them. But anyway, yeah, they're definitely still laying, even though it got down to 15 degrees Fahrenheit. And then this morning, 13 degrees Fahrenheit. They still wanted to lay eggs. We've got 4 of them up there, different colors. I'd say that was 2 different chickens, maybe 3 different chickens come up here and lay some eggs. All right, that's what it's all about. Having the chickies is all about the eggs. Eventually, well, the chickens we got here now, these are mostly for egg layers. But eventually I will be getting some eggs for, I mean not, I mean chickens for meat chickens that will be in a separate, different place. I'll be building a whole new, different chicken coop and chicken run out further out in the field, away from the house, and those will be more of a I guess I don't know what kind of breed of chicken they are, but they're definitely better for meat chickens than what these are. These are the egg layer chickies. Man, they just been digging around out here in all these leaves. I wanted to rake up all these leaves and put them in my garden compost, but they, you know, the chickens love digging around out here in all this. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll go out in the woods out there and get a bunch of leaves from my gardens. All right, well, let's go see how those chickies are doing. They're loving that water. Look at them. Guinea birds haven't found it yet. Guinea birds are outside of the fence. Oh yeah, I think it's time for me to turn that water off. Watch out, duckies. Okay. Just had to get that little bit extra before I come over there, huh? Yeah. The ducks love to get in there and wash off. Look at them. They're taking baths. The ducks take baths in the water. Sometimes they'll take a sometimes they'll take a dirt bath, but other times they'll take water baths. Look at them. Oh boy, what are you trying to do to that other ducky? I tell you, ducks are, yeah, okay. Hey, don't get me wet. Darn ducks. All right, I need to grab that water hose and turn that off. I don't want to overfill the I guess I'll go down here and grab it from down here. Give me that. There we go. All right. There you go. All right. Let's turn that off. Darn, it's hard to operate with my left hand. Is it frozen? Oh boy.